Hi, good evening everybody. Good morning. So today I'm doing this new room opacity from TryHackMe. Of course, this will need looking for the user and the proof.txt and local.txt. This is the new room opacity. Is it easy? To be honest, wasn't easy. I'm not sure. Sometimes when easy is supposed to be just do something and it will work. So let's start the usual suspect. Rust scan -8 10.10.35.206. Get the ports, and then of course let's wait for it. Task scan 10.10.10. Okay, we have 22.hp 139.80, and that's when the rabbit hole start in. So we know 8 is open. Let's check that 8.35.206. We have a login form. Of course, now you might think SQL injection or something, and I was trying that too. If there is something there, and then you have this SMB port 4. Even if you go to nmap, we go to nmap minus sc minus v in the port. That port, which one? The 445. That SMB 445. Now you can see this. I'm not sure there's other ways, the many ways to do initial access. In Discord they said there's many ways, so I couldn't figure out how to do it through the SMB share. And of course, when you have a port like that, you can spend some times here playing around in SQL injection, and then didn't work, and don't save and try to do wherever it's admin or wherever the tricks, it's nothing work. So of course, back to the basic is we go to go basta directory main.su http. Let's see if there is anything interesting. I think that's why it's a methodology of hacking, so you need to follow certain process always. Where's the user share with list the basta directory listing to medium. What did I did wrong? Not minus h minus u. Let's do that, and you can see straight give you /cloud, and you can see the rabbit hole in these rooms. It's like he's taking you for rabbit holes. I don't know. So you have a login form, and then somehow there's more interesting stuff. So when we see this, of course, it comes to your head is shell, reverse shell. So if we can upload reverse shell, so we cool. Of course, his file upload. Now it tell you upload the image, so you can guess an image. Of course, the best place to do things is what I call them this hack tricks. You can always playing around with extension image. First of all, let's get the reverse shell. Okay, we can have the reverse shell here in front of us. It's a PHP script, so we can have this, or we can have the bigger one. Yeah, whatever it's better for you. Let's get this one. Let's sorry, let's extract it. Let's say start in download, root download, extract kit. Let's get. You see now we got we have the cloud. Let's see what he said. He said yeah, he has SMP. To be honest, I couldn't figure out a way. If someone knows somewhere, please you can share it in the comment how to do this one. So we go in with this one with the so we have the reverse shell that we have, so we can just put our IP. My IP is 10.10.90.225. Okay, so we have that. Of course we have you have here he said put URL, so we need to have a URL so we can create a Python myself HTTP server, so we can use this. It's running port 8000. Now the first thing I did when I do this, let's say copy PHP, say call it reverse, and I did, well, let's say the obvious tricks, uh, png.php. So if I try this, I was trying some other tricks. So when you try that one, it's straight rejected. So when you notice is it's only accepted if the variable, so it need to be like that, need always have the image at the end, something like that. So I was trying a couple of these things, like this one didn't work, this one didn't work, this one didn't work. I almost did all of them. I don't know which one should work. So if you do reverse.png here, yeah, but that one is not good for us because php.png, you can see that you accept the end. When it's the end is .png, .jpg, you accept it, but the end is you're not getting it, your image or some can display and all of that. So what I did, first of all, let's get the nc listener, nc minus lv vnp important. So what I did, I remember another trick. One of the rooms we did in TryHackMe. So what I did, I said, okay, so let me do this. Copy PHP reverse shell. What I did is this. Say exploit. Let's say call it exploit this one, and then I said .php, and I just did my own this one, and then I did this png. So my understanding is maybe the script when they see this will cut that one or something or wherever. So I did this. So I have this file. Then, but be careful. And then what I notice, if I do this, remember this. Where is that? Is reverse shell. It's when I did this. When I did this, let's see what happened. I don't know. So I do upload it. What the hell? Didn't work. No, not .php. Sorry, I did a mistake. .png. So my idea to cut the whatever function is doing there. .png. Then it was uploading, but when you call it, what the hell happened here? Sorry guys, I'm a bit confused because no, it was .php and then I make the cut there. Let's get to it here. Okay, so the file is this one, exploit.png, .php, and then cut the end and .png. Okay, let's do that. So this is my file. Upload the image. So let's see what happened now. No, the notice is does it call it? So he called. You see what happened? Because that pound I added, he calling that .php, or because I don't have the file, so now we have this new problem. So what I did, So now we can, so if I can call this, we don't have, so I want to force him to upload that. So what I will do, you see now, is looking for this, you know, because I cut him here. So now he's looking for this. So what I can say, I can just say copy PHP to exploit.php. Also, so now because I cut him, he will download this one, which is exactly what I want. So let's repeat now this one, the same things what we did the first time, which my connection is off. So what we do, we take this one, same things we did this time. Let's watch what happened. He'll upload, he's calling the script. Now he found it. You see, he got it, 200. So I know he uploaded the script. So I just come here and just call this script PHP. Now I have a shell. You see now, instead for him to upload the image, he's uploading directly my shell. So if we go here, we should have shell, and then we got the shell. Now the question is, of course, we can go to cd home as always, cd sysadmin. Let me stop these ones, I don't need them to keep flashing to me. So we got the shell, then ls. Now you can see we have the local. You can cut local.txt, and then that's why inside this room is not easy. Suppose when you pass at least one problem, he give you one flag, not like keep you hanging. So ls la local.txt. So you can see that the owner of this is sysadmin, so others they can't. And us, who am I? I'm www. This is the website. Let's stabilize the shell first. Where is that shell stabilizes things? Python. Let's do that. So you can be fast in searching stuff. Let's stabilize the shell, and then what we need to do, export. These are my notes when I was studying for TryHackMe, so always keep your notes when you forget. So stabilize the shell, because to be fast in command line. Of course, after we do that, finally we do Ctrl Z, and then in our things we do this. Let's see. Copy there, Ctrl Z, and then that, and we should have ls. So first of all, let's do ls minus la scripts. These scripts things also something like that. Always, I tried to do something last time when I saw the. Of course, we don't have the password for, but we can do something interesting now. We can go to the server, and you can see this login.php. You can see the login now. He has the same login. So admin things root, and you think this is the password. This is another. So you can log here and admin and enter, and you can see it's the same thing. So there's no privilege between them. So if you log, it show you directly the page. So there's nothing interesting I saw here. Otherwise I'm blind or something, so I don't see anything special on this page when you log in. So you log in, even if you log out, you log as root, because it doesn't matter, you log with whatever you log, it's the same page. The script is just show you that page, login username something or something. So basically, most of this type of rooms, when you ask you for you log in and you can't find directly the flag because of permission, cd home sysadmin, because I can't access that file, la local, So basically I need to become a sysadmin. I need to get a password for this guy. Usually they give you some tricks. So for example you can but you can see now I can't read this. I only can read this bash logout. I only can read the bash src from bash rc. There's nothing interesting here. To look at it. So basically I can read this, I can read the profile, I can read this an empty file, and I can read inside the script. So if you go inside the script again, nice LA, you can see here is a root, which will give us an idea maybe this interesting later on for the root user. Library is the group, the user is sysadmin, and the group is root. So if you go to library, some files here, ls -la, you can see they all owned by root. So even if you get sysadmin later on, is basically poof, nothing you can do about it. It's root is own them. So what we can do? We need to search. We need to find something in this system where some notes or anything that give us. So we don't have this, we go out of this. So all these folders. Of course, now the first thing I thought about it when he said Boot2Root, I thought maybe we can go to the boot for root, and then you look around. They all owned by root, so anything you can do nothing about them here. So you go out of that. One file that's usually interesting is always the opt folder. So if we go to opt, and that's our interesting file, so we can go there. You can see is we can read it, and this is, you know what it is KeePass, what they call them, KeePass, the one for storing password. So this is interesting file. So if we can get this file, we are fine. So let's get this file. So let's make a python 3-m http.server. So now I want to get this file. So then to get it, so wget http the IP of the room .35.206. So and then by 1000, then we can get this file. Okay, so we have full control of this dataset, dataset.kdbx. Now what we can do, now we need to crack it. So to crack it is basically Jean. So now this TryHackMe things is not in sync with my Ubuntu Linux, so we need to find let's search where is Jean in the binary. So or locate, you know, the KeePass. No, let's locate grep minus grep Jean. Okay, that's the, you see in my computer it's straight a command line because now the path is not so Jean KeePass, and then what's the name of the data set? I think let's say hash.txt. Now let's see what we have here. So we have cat hash.txt. So we have the hash. Now we need to cut with John. So now this is John there. I'm really tired, guys. Where list equal, let's say user share where this row q, and then we can give him the hash. Let's let him run the hash. Uh, yeah, that's the idea. That's why you say this room not easy. I don't because okay, we did this. We can cancel. So because now we need to look where and when to find this stuff and folders and something like that. So any case, what happened? Oh, you found the password. Okay. So then we can open with the KeePass dataset. Should ask us for the password now. We paste our password. That's the password we have from John. Then okay, then we have this. So we got the password for uh, for the sysadmin. So if we have a password, we can just SSH straight now. So SSH sysadmin at 10.10.10.35.206 can we have now we have the we assume is the password. Okay, now we are in access as of course ID as sysadmin. So if I said acd -l the usual suspect, you said to me this guy doesn't have, he can't run sudo in this system. Okay, cron tab -l, no cron tab, cat etc cron tab. It, it doesn't look these interesting stuff here. Then so the interesting part is where is that how to find the cron tab for, I don't think we can get a root no etc cron tab. There should be, can, do we have permission in root cron tab? I don't think so. Nice user must be privileged to use -u. Well, sudo we can't use it. So I got used to this in Linux process. Whenever I do in Linux box, I just get that Linux process pyp, I think it's py. I forgot the name. Damn it! Download and installing. No, not this one. Linux process monitoring. Monitoring yeah, I think it's this one, but what is the it's not pipe, I forgot the damn name. Post monitoring GitHub. Sometimes I forgot the name. PSPY, this one, yes. Sometimes so sometimes I like to have this one because it just give you, where do we save it again? Let's see. Let me cut it and put in download folder because my download folder is the one that already connected to it in my Python server. So we can do this. We can say wget http sorry 10.10.90.255 8000 p as an pspy what's in I forgot pspy 64. Okay, so we can pspy 64 fail to root the host 10.10.90.225 ish. So it's my IP, so it, and so we have the IP. I got it. ls chmod plus x psy psy. Let's see what happens. So I forgot command to check the things. So let's use this one. pspy is good to use. It is quick and fast. So let me try to see what happened now in the system. Okay, so it start. So we're looking for crons because that's usually the usual suspect. So let's see. Let's wait for a little bit if there is anything running in the system. Now, because we can assume what we'll find, because okay, this is the normal, the scripting one. Because when you go to home system admin, this script things is interesting because you see my LA, you can, this script is run users root. So interesting that we are part of the group. So but you can see the permission, we can read it. Now we can see something. You see how this is the cron that we're looking for. User is a PHP script that run. This script.php is the one that is running. So now we found the script. So let's go ls see the scripts. So what is interesting about this script now is a backup of script system folder. So what he do, he requests this. That's very interesting because anything we can, any script we can call is what else we can put our shell. So zip data is, so basically the home folder, the script folder, and the home directory of sysadmin get backed up to this, to var backups. Okay, and then you see all the image we upload. Now later on they delete them. I tried before to figure out a way to delete the script, but in any case, so we have an idea here in this script. If we can control the script, first of all, we can't edit. You can see now it said warning, changing read-only file. So first thing is we can't modify the script. So we need, what's the next best thing? The only next best thing is require once. Is PHP require once, it means it will call the script. If it call it, it mean we can use it. So let's see what is that script. Say library and then look for that script. The first of all we need to LA, and then the script is what no, is that if you look now this script, it's root. So basically we have a problem. So even if we, because now we have this script, we can't edit it. Oh, we can. No. Same things, is a changed read-only file. So what exactly our problem here is a changed only file. So we can read it only. Now if you go up to this and then ls minus the library folder, no sorry, I'm just interested of I'm got confused now. ls minus I'm testing in this folder. You see this folder library. What we can do here is a directory, so the owner of course he do everything. We can read and we can execute, so same as everybody else. No, it's the owner of sysadmin, so he can read, execute and things. So what that tell us, can we remove? So does it mean cd library, cd scripts library? Can I copy, for example, that file, backup inc to script, permission denied? Let me copy it outside the script folder to the home. So I'm able to copy in it. Okay, so it's under home sysadmin backup inc, because that's the only script that we can control. So we can control. So the question is, can we delete it? Can I delete, remove, backup? Yes, I'm able to do that. So now, because we have access in the folder, not in the file, so it gives us now an idea. So if I now open this, now I can edit. So I have right now. So of course now, and this script will run as root. So if it's run as root, you know what, I have an idea and I didn't try it, but I forgot how you run in if it was Python it was easier. Remember Python, you import OS. In PHP, how you do executing command in PHP? Okay, let's get a reverse shell here. I had an idea to do the bash one, but let's see, reverse shell generator. I'm looking for PHP. No, not this one. PHP system. What happened now? PHP proc pro. I think we just need this socket. We open a socket directly or not? I'm confused now. This shell. I didn't see this before. I'm just confused about this. Let's get this. Okay, so we can use this socket. You know what? I have an idea I want to do. But let's try this one first. We can't use the port 1234. I already used it, so let's use 4341. I have an idea. I don't know if it will work, but let's try it. Oh, by the way, yeah, for the flags, remember we when you log in as I will show it now. 10.10.10.90.225. So in theory now, no, 4321. Okay, so we can open another shell and see my lvnp 4321. Of course, guys, you should follow this instruction. You can find the shell, because now the file now local, if I say ls minus la local, yeah, you can open this. Just cat local and you get the flag. I hope you don't give me the dislike because I didn't show you the flag, but it's a bit okay. Let's have the first one. You can see the flag. You got the flag there. Now remember, now let's copy this backup hours to scripts because we have control on that. So now let's wait, because now if we open the VOD of WHTML, no, if you open a Vim, as I said, the status that the scripts live script, no, the scripts file. So now he will call this file, and when he call it, of course, we'll get our shell. It should be our shell. No, we got the shell now. You can see the shell. Now we had an idea, but I thought to get another idea. So if we get backup inc, instead to use this, how about to do this? If I tell him do this, I'm not sure. I don't know PHP. Can we do this directly? Chmod. I don't know if it work. I'm just. I know in Python it will work. X binary bash. Let's try. We're not losing anything. So chmod plus binary bash. Let's copy backup.inc to script library, and let's wait what happened. So we already have you can see we have the root. Who am I? I'm root ls minus la proof.txt. So you can open it and you find your flag. I'm trying to, if we can get this new trick. Oh no, me script library, what the damn thing, backup file. I'm not sure if this command will work or not, but if it does work, we can do bash minus p. Oh, didn't work. Binary bash minus p. Okay, so it didn't work. Okay, my idea didn't work, guys. So I think you need to get the shell. That's all. Library backup. No, I think it must be an error in the script. Binary bash. It should work. Why didn't it work? It doesn't give me the privilege. Any case, guys, so we can use the reverse shell, then you get the flag. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and if you like, subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant weekend.